Hi, this video will present a brief overview of our proposed context-aware cognitive testing system, or CACTS for short, for older adults and caregivers. This project is conducted by the ASSIST Lab at UC Santa Cruz under the guidance of Dr. Sri Kurniawan. The CACTS is a web-based system that seeks to not only rapidly test an individual's cognition via mini-games, but also detect and analyze contextual information that might affect the user's test performance and test-taking ability during the time of testing. By utilizing the latest and responsive web technology, we are able to deploy and test the system on virtually any modern web-enabled device, touch-based or otherwise. For the purpose of this video, I will be using a mouse to navigate and highlight visual components of the system. The main menu screen displays all of the mini-games available to the user. Making the buttons big and easy to see allows users with low vision to easily navigate the system. The current images in the prototype are temporary and will better reflect the nature of each game respectively. Let's check out the verbal memory game. Each game will first provide brief instructions to the user on how to play the game. The temporary image on the left consists of visual instructions in the form of a video or animated GIF, and is complemented with text-based instructions on the right. The user interface uses a simplistic design to emphasize ease of use. It is composed of a top header bar for the title and page navigation icons, the main content in the center, and a bottom button bar with two buttons for easy navigation. The top left navigation icon, represented by the three horizontal bars, opens a left side menu that allows the user to quickly jump to a particular game or main menu. The right side navigation icon, represented by a cog symbol, opens up a right side menu that contains settings and other system options. Let's check out the settings. Here in the settings screens, we can manipulate a lot of the game properties to further personalize each test for each user. Here we can enable and disable features as well as change values specific to this verbal memory game. Let's go ahead and change some. Now, let's head back to the game using the bottom button bar navigation. Now that we have set the desired settings for the game, let's press play and jump right into it. The system makes use of short questionnaires to gain some insight into the context during the time of testing. Simple binary and ternary responses are used to ease the cognitive load on the user while still providing valuable information on the user's perceived mood and context. While the user is progressing through the game, the system is actively listening and sensing the environment to gain raw information about the user's testing context. The current prototype utilizes the device's microphone sensor to gauge the average noise level in the environment while the user is testing. Once the user has completed the test, they are presented with a score graph. This graph shows both their performance on the test, highlighted by the blue line, as well as the ambient noise while they were testing, shown by the red line. Each point on the graph represents a single test. Testing multiple times throughout the day or week might reveal patterns that could prove beneficial for understanding one's cognition over time. We conducted a usability study with healthcare professionals at a local senior center to gauge the feasibility of using such a system within their facility. The results of the study seemed to indicate that, with some assistance and initial training, the system would be beneficial and easy to use by older adults and their caregivers. We will continue to improve the system's overall usability, accessibility, and functional capabilities with future studies. This wraps up our presentation on the CACTS for older adults and their caregivers. For more information on this and other projects from our lab, please visit our website at assist.soe.ucsc.edu. Thank you for watching.